Welcome to the city of Bhubaneswar and the Institute of Life Sciences. The seed of this multidisciplinary and advanced research institute was sown by the government of Odisha in the year 1989 to use advanced tools and technologies for providing solutions to practical problems being faced in the area of food and nutrition, health and disease management, and environmental protection. In July 2003, Institute of Life Sciences (ILS) was declared as an autonomous institute of national importance by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. Institute of Life Sciences has a broad vision of carrying out high-quality multidisciplinary research in the area of life sciences. The goal is for overall development and betterment of human health, longevity, agriculture, and environment. The stated mission of the Institute is to work towards upliftment of the human society and generate skilled human resources for future India. These are achieved by undertaking cutting-edge research using state-of-the-art technologies. The major research focus of the Institute is in the area of infectious diseases, cancer biology, and plant and environmental biotechnology. Infectious diseases research is one of the major mandates of ILS, with a vision to work towards a human health and welfare, focusing on infectious diseases prevalent in India. The core areas being addressed include key issues of pathogen biology, host pathogen interaction, disease pathogenesis, immune regulation, inflammation, immunopathology, antibiotic resistance, and drug discovery. Insight into pathogen biology, host response, disease onset and progression at a molecular and cellular level is crucial to identify potential drug targets to enable specific drug design and development. Our research on cancer biology has adapted multidisciplinary approaches to understand and identify novel strategies to combat various types of cancers such as leukemia, oral, pancreatic, prostate, and breast cancer. Cancer is one of the most dreaded and life-taking diseases. Through an interdisciplinary program, ILS aims to explore new avenues to develop diagnostics, therapeutics, and preventive approaches for different cancers. The focus of our program on plant and environmental biotechnology is to find ways and means to increase agricultural productivity in an environmentally challenged ecosystem and address current demands and future needs of industry for improved microbe-based technologies. The research in biotechnology is rapidly progressing and requires investment in state-of-the-art instrumentation facilities as well as cross-cutting expertise. A state-of-the-art animal house provides support to our research initiatives. It helps us identify novel drug candidates through in silico and or in vitro drug screening, validation in cell culture and animal models. ILS follows established guidelines and procedures for rearing and experimentation with animal models. Our zebrafish facility is used for understanding the developmental processes, gene expression and regulation. Over the years, ILS has established state-of-the-art instrumentation facilities to support our research initiatives. Well-equipped facilities for genomics and genetic analysis, proteomics analysis, imaging platforms, electron microscopy, cell and tissue culture facilities, and dedicated repositories provide support to scientists and students of the Institute. high quality structural biology and computational facilities are of significant use for our scientists. Over the last 15 years, ILS has made rapid progress in undertaking research and development efforts for the betterment of human lives. This is carried out by the dedicated efforts of our 27 highly skilled faculties with considerable international exposure and experience. The Institute hosts more than 100 PhDs and 20 postdoctoral fellows. 7 faculties are Ramalinga Swami and Ramanujan Fellows, and 2 are Wellcome Trust DBT India Alliance Intermediate Fellows. 3 ILS faculties have been awarded prestigious Tata Innovation Fellowships of the DBT. Over the past years, ILS has produced 64 PhDs, more than 500 publications, and 20 patents. The strength of our research lies in our dedicated and committed group of research scholars. Selected through an all-India competitive process, they help dissect various nuances of cell and molecular biology, cell growth, gene regulation, and their manipulation. They mix research with pleasure and get involved in many extracurricular activities and brings desired accolades to ILS. ILS provides them with a home away from home and inculcates values of cooperation and responsibility. ILS strives to help them to emerge as great trained scientific minds for the future. ILS has felt the need for developing a structured science outreach program. Its dedicated Science Outreach Center was inaugurated by the Governor of Odisha in March 2017. ILS has been conducting scientific events and conferences involving scientific communities, students, farmers, and policymakers in the area of its expertise in an effort to take science to society. ILS has established research and developmental partnerships with many institutes nationally and globally. We are taking the lead to work together with scientists, academicians, clinicians, policymakers, and other stakeholders in Bhubaneswar and adjoining area for realization of our broader goal. ILS, over the last 15 years, has achieved significant strength for carrying out cutting-edge life science research. We are aware of the tremendous challenges ahead. We are conscious that we need to put substantial efforts for making a difference. We will work on locally relevant issues with a global outlook and will influence policy making. Our work is in the progress and we are marching ahead. We are sure with the dedicated efforts of our staff, goodwill of our peers, and support from all quarters of our journey will be much more productive. We are sure our efforts will ensure a transition from despair to hope, converting challenges to opportunities, and towards a better, healthier, and happier society. Institute of Life Sciences will ensure appropriate use of science for life.